Sabi nila, pag may negosyo ka, para ka na rin nag-adapt ng isang bata. And honestly, totoo yun. I am a father of a 4-year-old son and also a father of a growing business. Kaya nga on a personal note, I can honestly say na para ka ding nagpalaki ng bata pag may negosyo ka. And I know marami sa inyo dito ang mag-a-agree sa akin. Kasi as a business owner, ang trabaho mo is to nourish your business. You need to give it time, attention, i-observe mo yan araw-araw na parang baby na lagi mong chinecheck kung may pupo na yung diaper o wala. Speaking of pupo, sa mga parents dyan, alam ko minomonitor nyo rin yung itsura ng aak ng anak nyo kasi it tells you a lot kung kumusta yung baby mo, tama? Ganyan din sa business. Madalas man na hindi maganda sa mata yung numbers from accounting, kailangan mo yan silipin regularly so you know how your business is doing. And having real-time reports available in an easy-to-use accounting platform like Xero, One Accounting, or Zoho Books gives you either the peace of mind that everything is okay or it gives you the power to immediately act on it if the business is not okay. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.